The next word that we are going to see now is sudaradu. In my previous video, I have made some interesting words. You can have a look there. Now, sudaradu meaning to lift something. Lift in the sense it is like stealing, but it is not a serious offense. Just imagine you're taking away something from your friend, whether he's aware of it or he's unaware of it, it doesn't matter, and you have no intention of giving back. You're simply taking a little more liberty with the friendship, and that is the meaning here. Sudaradu, meaning to lift something. Did you buy it really? It looks like you have lifted it. The meaning here is he doesn't believe that you have bought it. Instead, might have lifted it probably from your friend, your brother, sister, or somebody. It has a tone of sarcasm in it. காசு கொடுத்தா வாங்கினேன், எங்கேயோ சுட்ட மாதிரி இருக்கு. காசு கொடுத்தா வாங்கினேன். Did you buy it? காசு கொடுத்தா means by paying money. வாங்கினேன், did you buy? எங்கேயோ means from somewhere. சுட்டா மாதிரி இருக்கு. It looks like it's been lifted. காசு கொடுத்தா வாங்கினேன், எங்கேயோ சுட்டா மாதிரி இருக்கு. I have already uploaded several short videos, all using very simple methods and pictures. You'll find them in green, blue, and purple colors. The green ones are very short, simple phrases, and the blue ones are simple conversation, and the purple ones are simple grammar using phrases. The next word that we are going to see is sakka podu poduradu. Sakka podu poduradu. And this is a small phrase used for something like a sudden flow of something, tremendous flow of something. Like it can be for rain, it can be for money, you're doing great in business, or you're being continuously successful maybe in the game or anything. So it can suit many contexts. Sakka podu poduradu. In the beginning, there was nothing much, but now he's doing fabulous. Here, the meaning is he was just an ordinary person in the beginning. He was struggling for life, for money, for work, and everything, but now he has become tremendously successful. He's just doing fantastic. And that is ஆரம்பத்தில் ஒன்றும் இல்லை, ஆனால் இப்போ சக்க போடு போடுறான். ஆரம்பத்தில் meaning in the beginning. ஆரம்பத்தில் ஒன்றும் இல்லை, there's nothing much. ஆனால் இப்போ, but now, சக்க போடு போடுறான். He's doing great, he's doing fabulous. It seems that our hero's film is doing tremendously good. நம்ம தலைவர் படம் சக்க போடு போடுது போல, நம்ம தலைவர் படம் சக்க போடு போடுது போல. போல is a short form of போல இருக்கு. போல is like, இருக்கு it is so, it seems so. போல நம்ம தலைவர் படம் சக்க போடு போடுது போல. நம்ம தலைவர் படம், நம்ம is our, தலைவர் படம் hero's movie, சக்க போடு போடுது போல. தலைவர் literally means leader, but colloquially it is also used for your favorite hero. If you are a crazy fan of somebody, you say தலைவர், and it is always for male. The next word is jammuna. Jammuna means something very interesting, nice looking, appealing. You could use it for something like a nice, well dressed person. You could say jammuna, he looks so flashy, nice, appealing, or energetic. That is what it means. Jammuna. I'm trying to use a picture everywhere. The reason is it helps with the memory. That is exactly how I learn languages, words. So it may not be very exact in context, but it can be useful. Here we'll see, you seem ready to go, all bright and enthusiastic. Where are you going? சும்மா ஜம்முன்னு கிளம்பிட்ட, எங்க போற? சும்மா means just like that. Jammunu, here it means you look so well dressed, nice, enthusiastic, bright, all that in the meaning. Just put that all into one word. That is it. Jammunu. Kelambita, you're ready. Just so bright and nice and good looking you are already. Where are you going? எங்க போற? சும்மா ஜம்முன்னு கிளம்பிட்ட. எங்க போற? Chumma. Chumma means just like that. It doesn't have an exact meaning here. It is to add some intonation to the sentence. Chumma. Jammuna. That is what? Well dressed and full of life, bright and beautiful. Kelambita, you got ready. Kelambita. எங்க போற? Where are you going? சும்மா ஜம்முன்னு கிளம்பிட்ட எங்க போற? And the word jammunu can also be used for just anything. You can use it for a t-shirt, you can use it for a shirt, you could use it for even a house. Oh, what a flashy, beautiful, stylish, modish house that you could say jammunu house. So here the shirt is attractive, flashy, isn't it? Satta jammunu irukku illa? And it's often the word dress is used to mean clothes, so you don't have to feel confused. It's not the women's dress, but dress, the English word, is very commonly used to mean clothing. So the shirt is attractive, the dress is attractive, flashy, no? சட்டை ஜம்முன்னு இருக்கு இல்ல? Dress ஜம்முன்னு இருக்கு இல்ல? சட்டை or dress ஜம்முன்னு இருக்கு இல்ல? The next word we are going to see is சும்மா அதிருதில்ல. சும்மா அதிருதில்ல is a very recent phrase. It has come from a very famous movie, and the meaning is something, it's shaking the whole atmosphere, it's shaking the whole ambience. Or just imagine a rock star is coming and then chuma adirudilla. Or you can use it even for simple things like, oh, look at my CV and look at all my degrees. Chuma adirudilla means, look, it's just shaking you. That's a meaning. As soon as it is known that he's arriving, is it not it vibrating? அவர் வராருன்னு சொன்ன உடனே சும்மா அதிருதில்ல, meaning, see, somebody, a man, a famous man, a celebrity is coming, or somebody very impactful is coming, and you say chuma adirudilla, meaning, just see, the whole place is going to be vibrating with life. Avaru vararunu, meaning that he is coming. Sonna udane, as soon as it is told, chuma adirudilla, is it not vibrating? It's a very, very nice word, a phrase you could use with your friends in a very casual conversation, and it has become very widely used words among youths or people. Say chuma adirudilla, and this is the tone and the life you have to say. Well, you cannot say chuma adirudilla. No, it's meaningless. It doesn't have. You have to say chuma adirudilla. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I've tried to introduce some of the words that are not, you're not going to find this in the dictionary. It's a very unusual but very commonly used words. So these are the words that will give a kind of a natural colloquialism to your language, to your speech. So try to imbibe more of these words and you can speak more like a native speaker. All the best.